Kids, you know the letter S and how to write the letter S. Now, let's hear the sound that letter S makes. Letter S makes the S sound. Listen to me. Now, repeat after me. Brilliant! Now, let's see some words that have the letter S sound. Snake, snake,
Snake.
sun, sun,
Sun.
seven, seven,
7.
Look, kids, there are 7 snakes in the sun.
Wow!
Let's sing.
Oh, music is on. Kids, let's sing a song of letter S. Letter S, where are you? Here I am, S is for snake. Letter S, where are you? Here I am, S is for sun. Letter S, where are you? Here I am, S is for 7. Wow! You're all such beautiful singers! Today, we've learned the letter S sound. I hope you enjoyed it. But it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.